Hello, my little tiny tots. Let's start to read the alphabets with phonic sounds. Okay? Now come with me. Let's start. A, apple. A, aeroplane. B, ball. B, boy. C, camel. C, cat. D, dog. D, doll. E, elephant. E, egg. F, fish. F, frog. G, grapes. G, goat. H, horse. H, house. Don't speak grapes, horse. Grapes, horse. So dear parents, please help your child to read the alphabets with phonic sounds like this, okay? And don't let your child to read the alphabet like A for apple, B for ball. No, that's an old pattern. Now we have a new pattern to learn to read the alphabets with phonic sounds like this. A, apple. A, aeroplane. Okay? Thank you.